In this video, you are going to see how to crop an image in Google Slides. Let us go to Insert, go to Image, go to Upload from Computer. Let us insert an image from my computer. Click on it, click on Open. Then our image will be inserted. If you want to crop it, click on the image and here you will see an option Crop Image. Now a black line will be appeared over here. You can adjust it like this. Use your mouse to crop it. You have to put your mouse cursor over this black button. Now click on outside, then it will be cropped. There is another beautiful option. Click on it, go to over here this drop down mask image, go to shape. If you want to crop it in a shape, select the shape over here, then it will be cropped in the shape. Click on it, again go to over here, go to shape. You can choose the oval shape. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.